Okay, so this one's gonna be on how to be able to install the latest version of Python, which is 3.8.3. So to be able to do this, first of all, if you're on, it's gonna be on Windows, so go ahead and go to python.org, go to downloads, click on Windows, and we're gonna go ahead and get the latest stable release, which is Python 3.8. So let's click on that. Okay, then here what we'll do, instead of going with the regular executable file, we're gonna go ahead and get the web-based installer. And the main reason why we're gonna do this is there's a plus to it. Not only is it faster to download, but when you click on run, as you see here, it gives you this option to be able to upgrade from the previous version of 3.8. So I have 3.8.0 I guess, and what this will do is it'll go ahead and replace it, so there won't be two different versions of 3.8. It'll just be one, which will be the latest one. So basically it's just gonna upgrade the version, which is more than likely what you want to do. So that's the main reason why we're gonna go ahead and do this. So we're gonna just go ahead and click on upgrade now. Okay, and it should go ahead and do everything by itself. So setup was successful, and since we did it web-based, it basically updated what it needed to update it, and it should be able to keep the same configurations that you had from the previous interpreter, which is a 3.8 or whatever other version you had. So basically what that means is, like, if you had any kind of program or any kind of testing environment, you should be able to use that environment. But to put it to the test, I'm going to go ahead and open up PyCharm so we can make sure that that's actually the correct information. And one thing I also want to check while PyCharm is opening is going to where the actual installation folder is. So it's under C user, whatever your name is, and then under app data, I believe, and then under local, and then under programs. Okay, and then you'll see Python. So yeah, it looks like it only updated. I will check the version on the terminal, make sure that is correct. I don't think it downloaded anywhere else. Just to make sure, I'm gonna double check on the program files. So yeah, it looks like it downloaded to the same directory. So yeah, it looks like it just got rid of the old version and then just basically updated whatever it needed to update. Go ahead and check the Python version. So Python -- version. Okay, so yeah, it's the right version, and the other one's not showing anymore. So this seems to be the best way to go about it if you're just gonna upgrade. Test out the environments, the projects that I had already with 3.8. I want to see if it's gonna work automatically, because sometimes when you upgrade, or because sometimes when you install another interpreter, it won't recognize it unless you update the environments and the interpreters. So okay, so it looks like the projects are all working with the same with this new interpreter, so that's good. That way you don't have to go in here in your projects and on your environments and having to change any of that, or your programs that you have already coded. But let's go ahead and run it to make sure that this actually works. So yeah, it works. Alright, so that's how you're able to install or upgrade to the latest version of Python, which is 3.8.3. So that's it for now. Bye.